Show the people.
So we're gonna go check out the Jeep, but John, this is 2 in a row for John.
Yeah, he ended 2023 with
He
a
ended
flat
22
tire.
with the flat tire and came back 2024 with the flat tire. Same tire, new tires, two of them.
New tire, same rim.
So John, don't get close to the Jeep right now when we go check it out. I don't want it falling off the, top or something.
Yeah, it is cold, by the way. It's like
freezing.
negative 16.
All right, now let's go talk to Anna, see if she wants to drop us off over there.
Yeah. This is what freezing looks like. So we ordered an Uber Black. This is what you get. Holly.
Yeah.
Actually,
I've seen it on TikTok.
Anna's the one that's taking us.
Oh.
Thank you, Anna.
Thanks, Dave.
I was gonna ask you.
John,
Well, never mind.
they didn't kick you out of the house. Why did you bring your luggage?
Yeah, we're not moving in, man.
We're not
Come on.
moving in. We're just getting an update.
Wow, looks completely different.
Jesus.
Wasn't it white?
Over here, not that one. That's not ours.
Oh, this one's ours. Huh.
He starts adding the lift kit on it now.
Yeah.
He just took off everything that was original.
So he hasn't actually put anything on?
Did we bring that MagnaFlow?
I think so.
No, we didn't, because that came in after. So I'll ask him, because he took off that.
Might as well, huh?
Might as well, let's se lo ponga.
Yeah, that way, John, when he brings the Explorer for the tires, he can
We brought the lift kit, and what else did we bring?
The tank.
And the tanks. So I'm gonna ask him if he wants that MagnaFlow. So yeah, so that's a quick update. Like I said, we're it's getting there now.
Yeah.
Now in this stage, he can't just have it here. Has to get out of here. So.
Yeah.
And from there, we'll move on to whatever else we can get to. Now we have to go hitch for a ride.
Yep. What about the tires? You haven't bought those yet?
No, we got the wheels. We got the wheels in. The tires, I'm gonna check on those today. But with the holidays just makes everything difficult.
Okay. Hey, come check these things out. Just a kind of like a small preview of what they're gonna put on there.
What are they?
No idea.
Dude, struts and shocks are in here.
Yeah. Our ride's here.